Hey, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to talk about catches and this guy here, the skew chisel. But actually, most people don't use a skew chisel anyways. But how to avoid catches? Well, it's kind of like if you're driving and the better of a driver you become, the more you're going to know how to avoid an accident. So that's what we're going to talk about today. And if you want to learn how to avoid catches, you have to make them happen. This is a one-way safe drive, part number 2593 from oneway.ca. I think this is $30 or something like that. Has an MT2 on it and fits there, same way that your other 4-prong would. I don't know what I have it, but this one does not have the 4 prongs, it just has that. And what that does is, depends how much pressure you put. Let's just put this here in the center somewhere. Let's say there. And that will turn your piece. Now we need one of this. By the right height. You spin your lathe. Get your skew chisel and just ram it in there. And see what happens. The wood stops, got a catch. But the lathe is not being damaged because it's spinning here. So you can basically try, I'm not the right height for this. You can try any tool you want. In different scenarios, and whenever you mess up, it's just going to stop. So you give it a bit more pressure if you want it to stop under a worse circumstance. Just spin this a little faster. And if you make a mistake, I'm just going to ram this in here. That's what happens. So when I bought my lathe, which wasn't this one, I went and bought the lathe. I bought this, was the very first tool I bought. And I believe that might have been the second one. And I bought this. And I spent the whole day playing with this tool and just causing catches. I started with like a 6x6 and I made it into almost like a toothpick. And that's how I learned. So this is not necessarily, how to use a skew chisel, how to use any particular tool. What I'm trying to show you is that I hear from like Facebook groups and like talking to people, there's a lot of stuff that people don't try because they're afraid of catches. And once you understand what makes a catch happen, then you know how to avoid it. That's where, if you've been watching any of my videos, you see I'm a bit ballsy and sometimes overconfident, but that actually comes from having invested the time in doing this. So anyways, just a short video. I hope that helps you out in your learning curve. And again, it's called the Safe Drive, and I believe other companies make it. I'm just familiar with this one from One Way Canada. It's either oneway.ca or oneway.com, one of the two. But anyways, get yourself one, give it a try. I'll catch up with you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.